Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you one of the report which I created. This report is which I have created is from some dummy data. I have taken the name of a hospital. I am creating the report for a hospital and using a dummy data. So this is a hospital. I have created this home page where I have written the visiting hours and must have requirement to visit the hospital. So here I have created three pages: doctor's profile, patient profile, and hospital health. So this is the dashboard I have created. So for what I need to do to collaborate or to publish it and so that it will be visible to my client and internal customers. So I will be publishing it from here, right? So if I click here, it will be published. So it will be asking for me Power BI service where the what we say dashboard workspace name. So I just created a workspace general healthcare report. So I will click this and this will be publishing on that. So once it will be published and I will make it access to all, so anyone can access it, right? So it is going to publish and let's see. It will take some time. Let's So it is published successfully. So if I go here, I can directly click here and go to Power BI services, and I so here is my home page. You can see it. So this is my home page. I can give access to anyone to this report. So if I click doctor's profile here, so I will be landing in doctor's profile. So this is doctor profile, where you can see the total number of doctors this hospital is having, total capacity served, and total number of patients he encountered till date. So this is specialty wise bifurcation. This is cancelled and completed appointments. These are the top three doctors who are visited by the patients. So patient visit per doctor and their status. So this is the number of patient visiting doctor and their status. I have also used it this tooltip here. So it will give you the count of patient ID by gender, how many total number of patients visited, but what was the gender of the those patients at bifurcation and city wise, right? So I use this. So doctor count by location and doctor count by location and their specialty, right? So I can go from here back. If I click here, I can go back to the main page. Then if I go to patient profile, I can go to patient profile. I can check the total count of patients, visit per patient, how many visits per patient is there, average age of my patient, and patient type, adult, old, young, what kind of patient there are, right? Common disease, what are the common diseases, and here patient gender wise, right? And we have the patient by month, how many patient visited per month, right? So these are the, and this is the you can say table and visualization where you can see the month wise total encounter and previous month encounter and growth. Here we have this. We can also check the patient count and visit per patient average, this gender wise. Patient type also we can have a filter. We have a filter patient type, and location city wise we also have filter. So if we go back from here, then we can go to the hospital health, and here hospital health you can check the what are the targets. Till date we have 10 locations. We are expecting for 15 locations. Appointment cancellation is 7,000, 7.25 thousand, right? Till date we are expecting 5,000 cancellation, and this is location wise patient and doctor count, right? So unique patient by patient type and gender, right? And this is patient ID by disease category, how many patient visiting for a particular disease. So this is my report, and I can share this report. I can so that anyone can be, I can put the name and send it. So hope it will be a good learning for you, and you enjoyed my report. Thanks a lot. Thank you.